Welcome to ABC for Little Kids. Today, we will hear 3 stories: Leo and the Animal Parade, The Bench of Memories, and Big Brother's Secret Skill. Let's get started. One sunny morning, Leo put on his red jacket and went for a walk in the forest. As he stepped onto the trail, a little squirrel ran up to him and squeaked. Behind the squirrel came 2 rabbits, 3 cats, and 5 happy dogs, all wagging their tails. Leo blinked. "Are you following me?" The animals nodded. The biggest dog barked gently and dropped a golden key at Leo's feet. "What's this?" Leo asked. The animals formed a circle, pointing with their noses toward the path ahead. Excited, Leo picked up the key and walked forward with his new furry friends. Birds sang, leaves danced, and the parade of paws followed him into the trees. Somewhere deep in the forest, an adventure was waiting. Selectively, and Leo was ready. Every Sunday, Ben visited the park with his grandpa. They sat on the same old bench under a tree that danced with the wind. Today, Ben brought a drawing he made, a picture of 2 people hugging. Grandpa smiled and showed his own drawing, a sunny path and a big tree. "This was my favorite place as a boy," Grandpa said. "It made me feel free." Then looked at his drawing. "This is me hugging Mom before she left for her trip." Grandpa nodded gently. "Our pictures are pieces of our hearts." They smiled and sat quietly, letting the breeze carry their thoughts. Around them, the park was full of laughter, birdsong, and sunshine. And on that little bench, 2 generations shared one beautiful moment. Leo loved playing games, but one day his computer broke. Restarted until his big brother Max smiled and said, "Let's fix it together." Max showed Leo how to check the wires, restart the system, and even clean the keyboard. Leo watched with wide eyes. "Wow, you're like a computer wizard," he said. Max laughed. "One day, you'll be better than me." After a while, the screen lit up. "Pervasive!" Leo shouted happily. The 2 brothers high-fived. Then Max opened a fun game and said, "Let's play together." Leo smiled. "You're the best brother ever." That day, Leo didn't just learn about computers. He learned how great it feels to help and be helped. Thanks.